Hello everyone. I am very excited today because today I'm going to teach you some phrases by using which you can learn English like a pro or you can speak English like a pro. So let's dive into our main video without wasting our single second of time or without squandering our single second of time. These are the phrases which you can use everywhere at your school, at your college, or at your work as well. So let's learn. So, whenever you need any kind of help at your college, at your school, or at your work, so at that time, you can simply say that instead of saying, I need a help, you may say that, could you give me a hand with this? Or would you mind helping me out for a moment? Could you give me a hand for this? Or would you mind helping me out for a moment? So these are the phrases which you can use when you want any kind of help or when you need any kind of help. It means जब कभी आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में हो जब आपको ज़रूरत चाहिए, फॉर एग्जांपल आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पर बात कर रहे हैं और आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए उसके रिगार्डिंग, कोई टॉपिक्स कलेक्ट करने हैं या फिर टॉपिक्स के रिगार्डिंग आइडियाज़ कलेक्ट करने हैं, तो उस टाइम पर आप अपने फ्रेंड से कह सकते हो, कुड यू गिव मी अ हैंड विद दिस? ओके, सो लाइक दिस. So now, for putting your first impression is the last impression, whenever you understand everything, you may say that instead of saying I understand everything, you may say that I want to make sure I understand everything correctly. So this is the phrase which you can use at your work, at your college, or at your school, and this is a very beautiful phrase for impressing someone, even for impressing your boss. Okay, so you may use this. So now the next one is, so now इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग आई डोंट नो. ओके, जब कभी आपको किसी चीज़ के बारे में पता नहीं है और आप नॉर्मली क्या रहते हो, आई डोंट नो, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग आई डोंट नो, यू मे से दैट आई एम नॉट सर्टेन अबाउट इट. ओके, और या फिर कह सकते हो आई एम नॉट प्रॉपरली श्योर अबाउट इट, और आप ये भी कह सकते हो दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. इट मीन्स आपको पता भी नहीं है और आपने उस सिचुएशन को स्मार्टली हैंडल भी कर लिया. सो दीज आर द फ्रेजेस विच यू कैन यूज़ एवरीवेयर. Okay, and by using these phrases you can impress anyone by speaking English. Okay, so that's all for today. By using these phrases at your work, at your college, or at your school, you can be a good speaker in English. Okay, you can speak English like a pro. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends who with whom who really want to improve their English, who really want to improve their English from here to here. Thanks for today, and speak English like a pro with me, and start speaking your start your practice of speaking from today with me. Okay, try to watch my every video to improve your English. That's all for today. Thank you.